Welcome. If you want to learn how to download a photo directly to your device using the WhatsApp app on your PC, this video will guide you through each step quickly and clearly. The process is super simple with the new update, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats. Once you're on the main screen, look for the conversation that contains the photo you want to download. You can find it either by scrolling through your recent chats or by using the search bar at the top to type the contact's name. When you open that chat, scroll until you find the specific photo you'd like to save. Hover your mouse over the photo and you'll notice a few icons appear in the upper right corner of it. This is part of WhatsApp's latest update that makes saving media even smoother. Now, move your cursor over to the small arrow icon on the photo. It might look like a tiny downward facing arrow. Click on it and a short menu will pop up. From that menu, select Save As. Once you click Save As, a window will appear asking you where you'd like to store the picture on your device. Choose your preferred folder or location. This could be your downloads folder, your desktop, or even a specific image folder you've created. After selecting the location, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. That's it. The photo will instantly download and appear in the folder you chose. You've now successfully saved a picture from WhatsApp directly to your PC. The next time you need to keep a memory, forward a document, or store an important image safely, you'll know exactly what to do. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and give it a try right now. It only takes a few seconds and makes organizing your files much easier. Thanks for watching.